to the greenhouse. This is a part of the farm that most folks don't get to see. So during our little virtual field trip, I wanted to show y'all where the seeds are growing on the farm before they come out to the field. So I'm gonna get off my tractor here and you can join me in the greenhouse. I'm gonna highlight this beautiful mural that's my favorite part of the farm. So in here, you can't feel it, but as soon as we step into this building, it is just probably 15 degrees hotter. It is so warm. It's so warm that my thermometer broke. I don't think it broke because it's so warm. I think there was another issue, but that's besides the point. So in here, we have all of our little seedlings growing, and if you kind of look around, you'll notice that there's all sorts of different plants going on. So some little friends haven't even started popping up yet. You'll notice that we're growing them in these flats. They're called flats, these little trays. And some seeds are just little babies. You can look at the lettuce and the tatsoi. Here's some more lettuces. 3 different types of lettuce. And we've got tomatoes, like these little buds here that take a long time to grow. So we started these in February and they're not gonna come outside for another, gosh, at least a month. Sometimes Mother's Day is what we think of. And you'll see our little baby alliums and our little baby peas, all sorts of beautiful little things. So this is the really hot house, a greenhouse. And the reason it's hot, if you look up, there's plastic all the way around it. And that plastic is letting the sun in and trapping the heat. So it's often a little moist in here. It feels like a really sweaty room. Anyway, so once the little seedlings are about ready to go out in the sun, we need to give them a little bit of practice. So they go out to an area we call the hardening area, where we'll go walk out in just a moment, where they can sort of have a little bit more cold air, it's very warm today, and a little bit more sun, direct sunlight, before they go out to the field. So let's walk this way. Oh, really quick. This is some rice that I'm gonna try growing this year. In this hastily erected hardening off area, come on in, you'll see the most beautiful plants. Look how healthy and green they look. You just want to like take a nap on them, on this Chinese cabbage and all of these. Look at this beautiful kale and more lettuces. Here's some stuff that's going to come to our youth garden that you maybe saw in an earlier video. And all these friends are going to come outside with us. So this is the secret part of the farm. Thanks for visiting.